Dog breathing. Sit on a mat comfortably. Sit in Vajrasana, that is, bend your right leg by the knee and place your right heel against the right side of the buttock. Bend your left leg by the knee and place the left heel against the left side of the buttock. Place your palms on the knees. Do not bend your elbows. Keep your back straight and bring the trunk forward such that your chin is parallel to the floor. Open your mouth wide and stretch out your tongue as much as possible. Close your eyes. Now start breathing rapidly through the mouth by flapping the abdomen forcefully. The abdomen is drawn in while breathing out and bulge it out while breathing in, making a panting sound like a dog. Feel the movement of the abdomen and the sensation of the air going in and out of your lungs. Continue the practice in same manner for prescribed rounds.